Hi guys, so our first destination sa aming Pattaya tour is the Sanctuary of Truth. Bale, nakuha namin yung offer sa Klook and i-claim namin yung ticket. Dito kami sa parking lot. So, kukunin namin yung actual ticket from Klook. May ATM din dito sa loob. Ayun yung entrance guys. So, ito yung mga admission price. Iba-iba yung kanilang activities na pwede mong gawin here. May Thai costume rental din sila. An elephant ride. So, ito yung mga bawal or appropriate clothes sa loob. So, ito yung mga schedule ng kanilang tour. May mga different language silang available like Korean, Chinese, English, Russian, and Arabic. Ayan guys. Yung mga bawal. So, yeah. Check lang natin yung mga bawal. Anything na revealing and two-footed bawal. Ayan. So, baka itong pang 9 o'clock ang kunin namin. Ayan. So, ito yung map na lalakayin namin going to the sanctuary. So, nandito kami sa entrance. 50 meters lang naman siya. May mga restaurant, may mini zoo, may mga pa-boat din sila. Ayan. So, dito kayo pupunta sa may sanctuary. Ito yung buong map. Ito yung kanilang mini zoo. Mga goat. So, papunta na kami dun sa sanctuary. 9:10 pa yung start nung English speaking tour. Na may horsey. May mga iba't ibang activities din dito and kanina nandun sa harap yung mga price nila. Ayun na, natatanaw ko na dito yung Sanctuary of Truth. Ayun na guys. Oh. So kung ayaw mo maglakad, meron silang service. Ayan, for 60 baht. Then, pupunta sa Terminal 21. So may palagun sila. Dito yung may rowing na boat eh. So meron silang na-offer na boat. Boat rowing.
Nakabakasyon kompleto din ko yesterday. Siyempre. Actually, patuloy-tuloy mo na yung diet.
Correct.
Pero ang problema ko kasi, dito ko lang kasi,
So dito yung restaurant nila na Nakluwa Kitchen. So yun guys, tatanaw ko na yung sanctuary. Ayan na guys. Ayan guys, ito tapos na namin magpa-picture dito sa viewpoint ng Sanctuary of Truth. Ayan siya guys. So far ito yung tao. Ayan. Okay, so yan, start na kami ng English tour. Ay, parang gusto ko nito. No?
Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to our museum. The Centuries of Truth is covering word, peace, joy, and art. First of all, I would like to tell you about the rules and regulations. Also, short information about our museum. Only 5 minutes. First, please follow the schedule time to visit this museum. Second, please receive the helmet before visiting the museum. We assure you that these helmets are clean and sanitized. Third, please check your belongings before leaving.
Sabi, napaka-nature dito guys. Mga huni lang ng ibon. Tsaka parang mini waterfalls yung maririnig niyo. Parang rainforest. So yun guys, hindi kami kukuha ng helmet.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay, let's move forward here.
Isa pang restaurant dito sa baba. Mga contractor na ba kayo? Handa na ba kayong mag-close ng DPWH deal?
Okay, good morning, everyone. Please receive helmet for your safety. Inside the museum, they installing the artwork. Okay, tulad ko eh. Okay, be careful, everyone. Please watch your steps. Alright, over here. Okay, so everyone, we have toilet here, so anyone can use the toilet, you can use now. Inside the museum, we don't have any toilet, only here. So anyone can use the toilet, you can use now. Okay, no more water here. Alright, same thing.
Grabe guys, sobrang nakaka-amaze tong structure na to, and considering na walang nails na ginamit para ma-build tong structure na to. Talagang napaka-artistic nila dito. Ayan guys. So ayan yung kabuang itsura niya sa labas, and sa loob mas marami pa daw structure yan. Tara, libutin natin. majestic talaga ng elephant. Ayan guys, kung pupunta kayo sa Sanctuary of Truth, make sure na napaka-komportable ang inyong damit dahil sobrang init dito. So that's our Sanctuary of Truth experience. Thank you for watching and see you on our next videos.